Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and validating demand. That tells you what to sell and who to target. Next, convert to an Instagram business account, fill contact fields, and add a link aggregator so people can buy. Once done, publish 5 cornerstone posts plus 10 short reels to seed the page. This creates immediate social proof. Make sure to use a consistent handle and branded profile image so viewers recognize you across ads, DM, and landing pages. You now focus on growth and conversion. Publish short reels 3 to 5 times a week with strong openers to hook viewers. Then optimize captions and thumbnails, run low-budget ads, $5, $20 to your best posts and a /B test creative and CTA to learn what converts. Once you have traffic, implement clear CTAs, link in bio, shop now, or DM for collab, and tag products or use swipe-up links. Make sure to monitor analytics daily to double down on winners and cut losers quickly. You finish by layering monetization. Add affiliate links, launch one product or service, and pitch paid collaborations. Subscriptions or exclusive content add recurring revenue. Then automate the funnel link page, simple checkout, clear FAQs, and a basic upsell to reduce friction and scale. If growth stalls, audit your reels, posting cadence, and captions, check posting times and engagement patterns, and look for shadow-ban signs. If something breaks, pause ads, refresh creatives, and re-engage your existing audience with value-driven content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.